Hello, I'm Alina. I'm an emotionally focused therapist. For a long time, I had a small but very tedious problem. Some clients would simply forget to pay for a session. It was never because they were trying to avoid payment. They genuinely forgot. So I asked my husband, Pavel, whether he could help me solve it.
Hello, I'm Pavel, and I am not an engineer. I had never written a line of code myself. But I already knew what AI coding tools were capable of, so I went straight through to Codex to help Alina. Pretty quickly, I ended up building a very rough and very ugly but working prototype.
And it worked like magic. It was a very simple tool, but it completely eliminated late payments.
That was when we realized that a simple tool for creating, sending, and tracking invoices could be genuinely valuable. So we started building Crest.
I opened crest-invoice.com website. So I'm creating an invoice for free to my husband. Here's his name and email address. The invoice from me, so this my name in my email. Pavel, please pay me with euros using the Stripe link. Yeah, great. So I send in an invoice now and I'll wait.
I've got an email from Crest with a link to invoice, so I examine the invoice. I see, yes, it's from Alina. I tap pay, I'm redirected to Stripe, and when I complete the payment successfully, I just tap that, hey, I've paid this. And that's all from my end.
Oh, I see the client marked the invoice as paid. That's great. I go to my Stripe app and check the payment. Seems it's okay, I mark it paid and crest it. Now I can forget about it.
And now we'll share briefly how we use Codex, which is our main vehicle to build Crest Invoice with 5.6 model. First thing, as non-engineers, we try to give our Codex as much agency as possible so that Codex could not only ship some features by writing the code, but also configuring our continuous integration and deploy pipelines, set up DNS records, and all other stuff which is actually needed to have a really working live product. So go ahead, enable Codex. It can do all these things on behalf of you perfectly.
Second thing is that we try to share with Codex as much context about our product as possible. Our product vision, strategy, roadmap, and even transcripts of customers' interviews. Not only it helps Codex to build features better, but it also gets a senior product manager into your team.
Third thing is that we extensively use Codex mobile app. Basically, we begin with the day with discussing with Codex what was done before, what's next, what we can get done in the upcoming day. Since it's a side project, there is no way you can dedicate all your time to that. But if you unleash Codex in the morning, you can just check your Codex app and steer it if needed. And then in the evening, you'll get back to Codex and you'll discuss what was built. And again, you'll come up with the plan for the next day.